Julin din. Okay, one more. Ang dami naman nakahoy na. Hello, Mikay. Juliana, go now with Julin. Okay, give it to Julin, ha? Ala ko, wala namang oras pa. Pag may time, hindi naman ganun kadaling magputol. Not yet. Not yet. Come on. Ready. Oh, wow. Jade! Where's Jade go?
I don't know.
Napana ni Jade na? Oh, she went to Daddy's.
There she is.
Jade, you want your zip line?
Gusto mo pa yung puti naman pag nandito ka sa bahay naman yung kulay na medyas ang gamitin mo.
Oopsies.
Siyempre. Okay, Jelana, come on. Are you ready so you can go up in the wood? Yeah. No, yes, you can. No, it's okay. I can hold you. It's. That's all right. I'll hold you. Okay. Okay, let's go. Look at you.
Hello.
Okay, come on. Let's go.
Was it fun? Have fun. I teach her how to do that.
What's that?
I taught her how to go down by herself.
Okay. Today, when did you do the call grandma?
Marilla and Richard, and they're up there, and then Joanna, I taught
Di ba binibigay yung mga iris doon sa baba? Kunin natin sa Sabado.
Okay. Not in the car. Just stay here. You can stay here. It's not hot. You doing your trampoline? Or you're fine. Okay.
my hair. Oh.
Are you gonna do trampoline? Okay.
I don't know.
Yeah, just do it then.
Sure.
Mother, pwede mong kunin yung mga dumi. Just ano.
We can't do it with 2 people.
Yeah, you do this.
Let's do tag then. Fine.
Grandma is getting the... Yeah? Hindi, yung mga dumi, mga dahon. Yan eh. Chlorine, may chlorine na. May chlorine yan. Siyempre, hindi naman matunaw ng chlorine yan. Kasi, tingnan mo.
Stop. Okay. Stop. Stop. Tag.
Oh, what?
Tag, no, go back. Tag.
Hello, Mikay. Hello, Princess.
No, I didn't. Fine. I didn't.
What's up, bud?